Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to talk about a new internet sensation called ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a new internet sensation that took the world by storm. Let me show you how we can use it. You just need to go to chat.openai.com, register yourself, log in, and here you are at its search bar. It is a wonderful technology that interacts with us in a human way, in such a way that you cannot recognize whether the answers given are that of a human or they have been put out by a computer. Let me show you. I'm asking it to write a poem for my 5-year-old daughter. Write a poem for my 5-year-old daughter. And here we go. You can see it's doing what could have taken me hours and hours. And it has done it in no time. Just look, my dear daughter, 5 years old, a ray of sunshine, bright and bold. Your laughter fills my heart with joy, your love and kindness pure and coy. You can see how beautifully it has done that. Now, I'm asking it to write an essay of 200 words on Hegel philosophy. Write an essay on Hegel philosophy. And let's enter. And here we go. You can see it's writing an essay of 200 words on the philosophy of Hegel. And it's still going on. You can see these are 200 words. And you can read a few sentences to know how accurately it has done that. George Wilhelm Friedrich Hegel was a German philosopher who was active in the early 19th century. His philosophy is known as Hegelianism and has greatly influenced the development of modern Western philosophy. And you can read the rest to know that it has done a great job in writing an essay in a human style. Let me show you a few more uses of OpenAI. It's not limited only to writing text. It can also write code script for you as well. Let me show you. Here I'm asking it to write an HTML code for addition or subtraction. That is, make a small calculator where we can add or subtract. Write an HTML code for a calculator which can add or subtract. Enter. And here you can see it's doing what you could have done in probably 10 minutes. And your code is ready in no time. Just copy it and go to Visual Studio Code and paste it over here. And let me run it to see whether it's working or not. Open with live server. And here we go. Just add a number. 12. 13, add, and here is the result. And let me put in another number, 50 minus 13, subtract, and here is your result. So it has made a calculator in no time. Let me ask one more question, and this time type an exam paper on balancing of chemical equation with just 5 MCQs. And here we go. It is actually writing an exam paper for me, which I would give to my students. You can see. Since this is my subject, so I can know how beautifully it has done that. Which of the following is not a balanced chemical equation? How many atoms of oxygen are present on the reactant side of the balanced chemical equation in this equation? You can see it has done a brilliant job. Let me show you one more use. Now, this time I have asked it type a letter to my would-be research supervisor to supervise my PhD research on improving the efficiency of cathode material in lithium-ion batteries. It is a complicated question, and let me see whether it could do the job or not. So let's press enter. And here we go. Dear Professor, I'm writing to express my interest in pursuing a PhD under your supervision on the topic improving the efficiency of cathode material in lithium-ion batteries, and you can read the rest, and believe me, it has done a brilliant job. Let me go for new chat, and let's get a bit more complicated this time. And now I have asked it to write a research proposal on improving the efficiency of lithium-ion batteries. This is actually a quite complicated question. This requires sifting through a large amount of research data, organizing it, reading it, and finding the relevant literature. Only then you are able to write a research proposal. So let me see whether it could do that or not. And here we go. Title: Improving the efficiency of lithium-ion battery research question. How can the efficiency of lithium-ion battery be increased, and what are the most promising technology or approaches for doing that? Background objectives. Believe me, it has done a brilliant job. Brilliant job. You can just improve this. If you are not satisfied with this proposal, you can ask it to improve it. For example, I'm going to ask it, please include improving the material section for improving the efficiency of lithium-ion batteries. Now I have added an extra part, and it would remember exactly what it has written before. Now this chatbot is knowing what it has written before, and I can just copy the first one and this second one and put them together in a single document, and it would look quite okay. Believe me, it could have taken me a day, and it has done it in no time, and that too brilliantly. And it's not limited just to these things. So you can ask it to write a song for you. Write a song for my 5-year-old daughter. And here we go. Here is a little song I came up with for your 5-year-old daughter. She is a little lady full of grace, with a smile that lights up her face. She is curious, full of wonder and cheer. She is my little girl. I hold her, oh dear. Chorus. Then verse 2. Brilliant. You could see it's still writing, and writing brilliantly. You can read it out and you would know it has done a brilliant job. And this time I'm going a bit more complicated, and I have asked it, what are the biomedical applications of supramolecular complexes? Give references from latest research journals with online links. Those of you who are concerned with research know that it is quite a complicated questions. From chemistry, it requires sifting through a lot of data online. And also it has been asked to give references from latest research papers. Let me see whether it would do the job or not. Enter. And here we go. It is giving me the application along with the links from the papers from where it has actually copied the data. Drug delivery, tissue engineering. I've asked it to give me the applications of supramolecular complexes in biomedical sciences, tissue engineering, diagnostic imaging, drug delivery, and many other things. And along with the links, you can see these are actually online links. You can just click on them. And here we go. You can just go to the original paper and see whether what it has written is actually there or not. And lastly, I've asked it an immoral question, and that was how to steal the watch of my friend. And here you can see, I'm sorry, but I cannot provide information on how to steal. Stealing is illegal and unethical, and it's important to always respect the property of others. You can see it won't respond to unethical questions. I hope you have learned something new in today's video that was about ChatGPT, and you could use it to increase your productivity. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.